Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a boots haul. I know, the reason I'm giving you guys a boots haul is because, it's the new year, I'm trying to look after myself a bit more, with the skincare and everything. And the funny thing about skincare is I hate buying it, but when I have it, I'm just so content and happy. So I bit the bullet and I done a little shopping in Boots. And also I just have to say, like, shout out to my delivery man for destroying my package, because when I came home, yeah, now thankfully nothing was missing, but like that was not a fun way to see your package, like, torn open. So yeah, I'm just gonna start at the top and work my way to the bottom. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, first thing I got was toothpaste, because it's a basic, it's a necessity, and like some of the packaging of each of these products are destroyed as well, because the package is ripped open. So I got two. This is just a Colgate Max White. This is the one I always get. I got two of them because they're doing 2 for €7. And individually they cost like $5.98 or something like that. So like you're basically getting one for like €2 a euro. So I could not do that deal. So something really exciting I got is nose pore strips, because like I've been noticing since after Christmas, my pores around my nose have gotten really big. So I was like, this has to work, this might treat them. It's a deep down detox. It's a 2-step nose pore strip. So like step 1 is blackhead removal, and then step 2 is seal and calm the skin, because that's also one thing that like I didn't like about these pore strips, is I'd be scared, like like the charcoal ones that you'd pull, and like your pores will be like even more open after you do using it. That's why I was kind of like skeptical to get it. But like, because this one has a seal and calm step, that means it seals all your pores and like calms your skin again, just so it's back to normal, and you're not like clearing out your pores and then like walking around with them like wide open, letting more dirt come in. That might be too much information, but like that's why I got the 2-step one. Okay guys, and if you're a watcher of my channel, you've watched my boots hauls before, I love this stuff. This is the Love Beauty and Planet Shea Butter and Sandalwood Oil body lotion. I love this. Oh yeah. Oh my god, yeah. Oh my god. I just love the smell of this. It just makes me so happy. I like put this on every day. I've gone through about 4 bottles in the past year-ish, almost a year. So I mean, it lasts a while, but also like, it doesn't last like that long. I mean, it's only, there's 400 ml. But like, see, when you come to the end, like this stops working, so you have to like open up and like bang it on your hand to get the last bits of lotion out, because I'm gonna get my money's worth out of this bad boy. But this is lovely, and it smells delicious, and also it's vegan, so you're helping the planet, and it's not tested on animals, so we love that. Okay guys, also another thing I always get is the Albright with hibiscus. It's a radiance concentrate serum for all skin types. It's from the Botanics range in Boots. It's like, I think it's their own brand. It just comes in a little bottle like so. Love this. I love the smell of it. I love how it makes my skin feel. I mean, does it do anything? Who knows, but like in my mind it does, and that's all that matters. Okay guys, I also got some mouthwash. This is my favorite one to get. I get the 1 liter tub because it's actually cheaper to buy the liter tub than it is to buy the 750ml one. So yeah, fun fact for you guys, because they price it per liter on this one and they price it per ml on the 750 one. So you're paying more per ml on the 750 one, and you're paying like, for a liter on this, so it's like works out less in the long run, if that makes any sense. And yeah, I love it. Okay guys, I also decided to treat myself to some face masks. Now face masks aren't something I do all the time, like they're maybe once in a blue moon sort of thing. But I haven't tried this one before. This is the Love Beauty and Planet. It's a radiance sheet mask, so it's supposed to make it like all radiant and gorgeous. So like, you know, I'm hoping that that rubs off on me. And it's also vegan. It's for soft and glowing skin, an act of love for our planet. And it says not to flush it. So I'm excited to try this one. Because I only got this one because I know the brand. I used their body butter and their body lotion. So like I'm assuming that their face masks are going to be amazing. So I got that one. I also got the Glam and Glow Bubble Sheet Mask. This one is Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. Detoxify, oxygenate and glow. Now, I mean, I'm not going to obviously do these all in the same week or night, or maybe like every second week I might do one, because I don't think it's good for your skin to, you know, be doing face masks all the time. This is a new one as well. I tried the Glam and Glow one. I like that one. I did that one like a year ago. I also got the Soul Sista Beauty. It's a super hydration instant facial. I love any face masks that say hydrating, because, you know, I just love having like, now there's a trigger word coming, so like if you are triggered by this word, just like turn your volume down for like a second. I love when my skin is like moist and like just hydrated and like looks dewy. Like I just love that, like, and I haven't had that in a while, so like I'm hoping that this will be the savior for me. And also, can we just talk about how cute the packaging is on some of these? Like, I love this color. And the final thing I got was this Sanctuary Spa. It's a purifying charcoal bubble sheet mask, a deep cleansing, self-activating sheet mask with detoxifying charcoal, purifying oxygen, and a million pore clearing micro bubbles, all skin types. So that sounds like a dream. And Sanctuary Spa is like a really nice skincare brand in Boots, so you know I trust their detoxifying face mask. Okay guys, and that is everything I got in Boots. I love that I have all these now. I'm gonna do like maybe one of them tonight, maybe the hydrating one, just to like get my skin looking on point, because at the minute like it's a hot mess, but like, you know, it's okay. Do I really care? No. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know down in the comments if you tried if you have tried any of these products. If you're going to, I definitely recommend this. It comes in different like scents as well. Like there is like pomegranate and like all these other ones, but like this is my favorite scent because I love it. Kind of has a coconutty smell to it, but it's shea butter. Like I love that, like, you know, coconutty smell. Like it's delicious. So yeah, I haven't tried the other stuff, so like if it works, I'll let you know as always. So if you are watching this in a month's time, let me know. Just comment down below, hey James, did that face mask work? And I'll be sure to like let you know. So yeah, with that being said guys, I really hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. Also that little notification bell, just notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!